everyone, this is Maria and today I'm in the kitchen and I'm going to bake Nestle Toll House milk chocolate and peanut butter flavored cookies. So these are the ingredients we're going to be using to make these cookies. We're going to be using some all-purpose flour, some granulated sugar, baking soda, 1 egg, 1 cup of butter, softened butter, brown sugar, vanilla flavoring. We're also going to be using some peanut butter. I'm going to be using this Jif creamy peanut butter. And I'm going to be using the Morsels. I think that's it, you guys. And so let's get to it. The first thing we're going to do is measure out half a cup of brown sugar. And I wanted to measure this for the camera so you can see it says packed. And so some people may not realize that they mean to really pack this down. You can see that I really just put some in there and now I'm going to pack it down. I want to get as much brown sugar in here that I can. So the recipe calls for 1 cup softened butter, and so this is right out of the fridge. It's not soft at all. So I'm gonna put this in my microwave just for a few seconds just to soften it up. I softened it up for about 20 seconds. What I did was I did 14 seconds. You can see it's already melting. And then I just did a few more seconds to soften it up just a little bit more. So I went ahead and pre-measured my flour. And so we have 2 cups of flour in this bowl and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So we're just gonna set that aside for right now. So I have my electric mixer ready to go. It's all plugged in and I have half a cup of pre-measured sugar, the granulated sugar, and the half a cup of brown sugar. Gonna put that in, and I like to break that up a little bit with my spoon and sort of stir it around. Now I'm going to add the butter. This gets a little messy. So there's the first stick of butter. And here's the second stick of butter. And I'm also going to mix in my half a cup of pre-measured creamy peanut butter. So now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Whoops, I always get just a little bit more than a teaspoon, but that's okay. I love the flavor of vanilla. So I'm going to lower this in here, and then I'm just going to mix this. And I like to use a wooden spoon, you guys, just to sort of stir this around in here, because it'll stick to the sides. Smells really good. I can smell that peanut butter. So I'll show you what it looks like. You see what it looks like? And so now let's go ahead and add in 1 egg. There we go. Oh, I like the way that looks. You can see that it's getting creamier since I added that egg. So now we're going to take the flour mixture and we're going to slowly beat that in. Just like that. I'm going to take my spoon, my wooden spoon. You can also use a mixer, or you can also do this by hand. Years ago, I did a lot of my cookies by hand, just by mixing it with a spoon. But this mixer really helps a lot. I just got the mixer at Walmart. Okay, it's thickening up. I'm going to add some more flour. Put it from this side over here. You can see how it's really thickening up, you guys. So let's go ahead and put the rest of this in here. There we go. It's really thick. So I went ahead and removed the bowl. And you can see how nice and thick this is, you guys. This looks really good. So I'm just going to add the morsels now to the mixture. So I got a different spoon to stir our cookie dough now, you guys. Just a regular metal spoon. And look at this, it's nice and thick. This looks really good. And so I have here some granulated sugar, some white sugar. And so I use a cookie scoop, but you don't have to, but this is what I like to use. And then we're going to use a fork to put a little pattern on the cookie. What we're going to do is we're going to scoop in. And so I have this and just going to set that there. Now you can go ahead and do this yourself. Just make sure you wash your hands. And I just washed my hands. I'm a big hand washer, you guys. And so I'm going to, and actually I probably didn't even need to roll it. And so, but I'm just going to roll it now in the granulated sugar. And then we're going to place it on the cookie sheet, you guys. I'll put it right there so you could see it. There you go. And then we're going to take our fork and we're going to press down and put that little pattern. We're going to cross on the other side. And so it's going to look like that. And we're going to put these cookies in the preheated oven. I have mine set at 350. The package says 375, but my oven heats a little hot. So that will be up to you. And it says 8 to 10 minutes. So I'll be keeping an eye on these. There we go. Let's put these in the oven. So here they are, and they look really yummy. And so they do look set around the edges and soft in the center. So just keep an eye on them. This tastes delicious, you guys. I really love these. And so I'm going to package some of these up and take them right next door to my neighbor. So thanks for watching, everyone, and happy baking. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.